we needed a tool wall for our art studio bike shop shipping container shed. We could make it out of wood, metal, pegboard, wall panels. Well, we decided to make it out of 100% recycled stuff. Upcycle, old skateboard skis, or whatever we could find around the house. This is not a how-to video. It's more like a why do it video. Our family, well, we've become a serious group of upcyclers, thrift store shoppers, and doing what we can to reuse stuff around the house. Like our ski fence. We're quite proud of it. That's my wife, Noelle. She's a seamstress. She's been making clothes for decades and recently stopped making things out of new fabric and dedicated herself to making things out of old clothes and repurposed stuff and thrift store finds. She also became a believer in fixing old clothes again and again. And she took it one step further. Instead of fixing your clothes, she'll teach you how to fix it yourself. In fact, she started a YouTube channel where she teaches sewing skills, mending techniques, and inspires others to explore the art of upcycling. Also, my son Fisher, he started a bike bag company. He is making stuff mostly out of upcycled stuff like old windsurfing sails and old fabric. So I guess the upcycling thing is running in the family. His company is called Fishkey if you want to check it out. As a filmmaker, I'm drawn to filmmakers in the maker's world. I love to watch Jimmy Diresta, the legend in restoring old stuff and making stuff videos. Ow. I love the art of the clever sculptor Tom Sachs, a champion in repurposing stuff. Once I got his autograph, pretty stoked on that. I'm also inspired by the maker, thinker, and creative adventurer Beau and his upcycle philosophy. And one of my favorite YouTubers right now is the German maker Laura Kampf. I find her personality, thinking, and her maker community inspiring. In my own work, I'm inspired by makers and doers. I made a short film about the handmade bike builder, John Hansen. I love what he said about our throwaway culture.
I've always been intrigued with the disposable nature of our society. No one actually knows how to do anything. No one makes things. No one fixes things with their hands. We live in a disposable nation. Everything now is, oh man, the toaster broke, we better throw it away. Not, oh, the toaster broke, we ought to go see if we can track down a heating element that we can replace it with. No one spends any time thinking about, oh, maybe I could fix that.
Okay, sorry, back to the tool wall. The tool wall was a family COVID project. All the kids got involved. There's nothing better than family fun in the backyard. Oh yeah, this is a 20-foot shipping container. Serious upcycling there. The doors and window are from Habitat for Humanity. More upcycle. And as far as upcycling, there's been more than a few rescue bikes brought back to life in our shipping container workshop.